This tutorial is about creating reading lists through the Canvas Learning Management System at Hamline University. Bush Library manages the reading list tool in Canvas called Leganto. You will access the reading list feature in your course navigation after you add it to the course menu. To include reading lists in the course navigation, go to Settings in the course navigation column. Click on the Navigation tab at the top of the screen. Drag the reading lists box to the top section to insert it into your navigation choices. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. Now you can begin searching for and uploading content into Leganto for your course. Click on Reading Lists in your course menu. Scroll down to locate the Create It button. Click on it, and scroll back down again and enter the title of your reading list. Hit Create. Reading lists can be organized in any way that makes sense for your course, by week, by module, by author, or other ways. You'll be prompted to choose a template for your list. Select one. Further organize your list into sections. Click on the New Section button. Add a section title, such as Week 1 or Module 1. Then click Create. You can repeat as necessary. Ignore the prompt to associate the reading list with a course at this moment. You will do this step after your reading list is complete and before you publish it. At this point, you will have a better idea of how many students will be enrolled in your course. You will then be prompted to add items to the section. To add resources, click the plus button on the right. This will open a right sidebar when you can search for library resources through Click Search, the library's discovery tool. You can do a simple or an advanced search. The library highly encourages you to try to locate your electronic readings via Click Search so that the URL will stay constant and the use data can be collected for you and the university. Once you have results, you can click and drag the item citation to your list or click on the citation and click on the Add button. There are no limits on the numbers of items you can add to your reading list or reading lists. To add a resource not held by the library, click the Create tab in the sidebar. Fill in the appropriate information. Make sure your personal reading uploads meet fair use guidelines. If in doubt, please check with your library liaison. Once you have added your items to the reading list, your next step is to determine if any of them need tags. The tag function can be used to notify the library your item needs additional processing. For example, the library can digitize, purchase, or place items on reserve for you. Not every item needs a tag. But to add tags, click on the Add Tags to Item in the record. Click again on the words Add Tags to open the pop-down menu. Add one or more tags that are appropriate for your item. Click Save. Next, click anywhere in the item to edit the item record. Some of the attributes you can adjust are visibility, due dates, public and private notes. Public notes are visible to the student, and private notes are viewable only to the instructor or list creator. Items can be reorganized by hovering on the right side of the record. You can drag and move the record to wherever you would like it. Further edits to the list or records can be done by clicking on the appropriate kebabs, either for the list, the section, or the list. When your list is ready, you need to send it to the library. Click Send List button. This will change the status of your list from being prepared, up here, to ready for processing. Now your reading list will be processed by a librarian. For items that need to be purchased or digital copies that need to be procured, please give us some lead time. After it has been processed by the library, you will be notified that you're ready to be published. Before you publish your list, you need to associate it with a course. Click on the kebab in the upper left hand of the list. You can associate the list with a course by clicking on Manage Course Association. To publish your list, click on the kebab again in the upper left hand of the section, select Publish, and select who you want to be able to see the list. Click Confirm. If you make changes to your list, remember to click on the Send List button again. If you have any questions about Leganto or using it through Canvas, or just want to get started, please contact your library liaison at Bush Library.